What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today what we're doing is a set of headers on this G8. This is the grandson of the guy that owns the GTO, so he wants to try to be like Papa, so we're going to hook him up with an exhaust. It's already got exhaust on it, but it's still got the factory manifolds and everything like that. So we're going to put headers, same ones we put on the GTO. We're going to do that, delete the mid muffler, and we're going to see what it sounds like. So let's get into it. All right, so we've got the car in. Me and my man John Boy right here. We're gonna get these headers on. These actually don't like they're gonna be as bad as his grandpa's GTO. Steering shafts beside him, so that's a good thing. But this is what we got. These are pretty much the same ones his grandpa bought for the GTO. The pace setters, that's ceramic coated. I'm not sure if they're inside coated or not. They do appear to have some coating inside, so. But these are the extensions you have to order for the G8 to mate them up to the factory exhaust. It comes with these cheesy ass clamps. I'm probably gonna, when I delete the muffler, get rid of those and weld straight to these. But it does come with O2 sensor adapters or extension harness. I don't really like that, so you might figure something different out with that. Never use these gaskets. These gaskets are garbage. The factory ones are metal, multi-layer steel, and them are garbage. We're not using those. About it. At least it ain't a back one. That one shouldn't be too terrible to get out. A little bit of weld, and we'll get it, John Boy. All right, so factory converters. We're going to delete this muffler. Maybe these resonators, I'm not sure. But this big muffler's it's got, well, not really a muffler. It's kind of weird U-pipe. Should sound good though. Might lead a resonator, it's not sure. It's gonna be pretty loud. So I'm sure the kid won't mind. After this, we'll get him a cam. He'll be like Papa then. Is that right, John Boy? Everything is unhooked on the bottom. Ready to go. Try to fight these things. I might have to try to pull. I wonder if you can go forward with it and try to come out of this. Get this ball and socket to split. There we go. Well, I'm glad I let go because my hand was up here and your ass, you big strong ass, is getting ready to hurt me. Now that's an assembly. Wow, it was a lot simpler than I thought. Now watch the headers go in like shit. I'm pretty sure the driver's side, we might have to remove the steering shaft to get it up there. I still gotta get that bolt out of the front of the other head. But, well, see how this bad bitch is gonna fit. man, the steering shaft's gonna be in the way, ain't it? Very, very close. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. It's been like 2 seconds later. Damn, so it's there, huh? Shit, I'm going up top to put some bolts in. Finally. Put one in here. Come down with us. All right, perfect. All right, well, it's hanging. All right, so here's the problem we're running into. These headers require this adapter to connect that, but there really isn't enough room for that. So what I'm gonna do is have these spread to slide on the header. That way we can mate them up that. I really don't like using these butt clamps. Back off. Took these to the exhaust shop and he spread it to fit over. So what I'm gonna do is weld them to the header. Boom. All right, so we got the headers installed. They fit really, really well. Dipstick, which is right up there. You can't really see it. It's kind of a pain to get in because of the headers, but it went in pretty well. But as of right now, we're gonna try to hook these O2 sensors back up. I'm pretty sure they might reach without extending the wires. Really hope they do, because I do not want to be extending O2 sensor wires. I just don't like that. And I got the big suitcase muffler looking thing out of here. So we're gonna actually leave the resonators. I don't want it to be too loud for him. But yeah, I guess we're gonna try these O2 sensors. Is that right, John boy? Both O2 sensors plugged up like factory. Perfect. All right, Jumbo. See if that bad boy fits. I feel like the dipstick's not gonna allow it to fit completely. Yeah, dipstick's kind of hidden under the cover now, but really can't do nothing about it. We wouldn't be men if we didn't crank it up before hooking the exhaust up, would we? See what that bad girl sound like. Well, headers are installed, and I found a little game to play with the old muffler to come off of it. So, kind of start at this line, and you have to try to get as close as you can to this one without going over. The way this muffler is made, it's kind of oval and then flat on the bottom. So it actually rocks and rolls pretty good. Well, and I went over, but this is kind of fun when you're bored. All right, so this morning I took the car to the muffler shop and had them fix all that bull crap that was going on. Couldn't get that stuff to work. The header on the driver's side, the collector was kind of turnt and it didn't let the ball flange like seat up properly. So I just took it to the exhaust shop and they made new pipe from the header to the pipe. So let's crank it up and see what it sounds like. Well, there it is, header installed on a G8. I'm not a real big fan of the mufflers. I don't think it gives the tone that it needs. I mean, I don't know. I don't like the sound that much. I'm more of an old school Flowmaster or straight pipe kind of guy. I mean, it sounds good. I'm sure the kid's gonna be happy as hell with it. So if not, we'll swap some stuff out. But I guess that's it. We might get his reaction when he gets here and see what he thinks about it. Like that? Yeah. Like you said, like your grandpa was telling me, he's there, the exhaust. Yeah. There's things that slide in and out in the muffler and that Y pipe or whatever.
Yeah, J pipe.
He said, yeah, he said if you loosen the clamp, slide that one piece in and out, and it changes the tone of the muffler.
Okay.
So y'all might want to try that, but yeah. It's way better.
It sounds, yeah.
After y'all put the mufflers on, you couldn't even hear it still.
I know.
But yeah, well, I hope you like it.
Thank you.
Like I say, if you ready to do a cam minute, we'll do it for you. Can't be just like Pawpaw now.
That GTO is scary.
It is.
It's
That
fun
thing's
though.
nuts. When I took him for a ride, I was recording his reaction. I'm gonna have to give you my YouTube stuff so you can go on and watch. I've done a whole video of me building his car.
Yeah.
I told him about it. I just never actually. I'm sure you know more about YouTube than he does.
Yeah, I watch YouTube all the time.
But yeah, if you like Google LS GTO build, you'll find my channel.
Okay, yeah, I'll find it.
And that's that. I'm pretty sure he's happy with it, so it's a job well done. All right, well, I appreciate you watching, and until the next one.